Hello my friends, welcome to Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to find the value of the expression 9 minus 6 times 6 over 9 plus 6 divided by 6. Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question looks super simple, but 90% of people actually got it wrong. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people when solving this question start with the numerator and begin by calculating 9 minus 6, which gives them 3 times 6 over 9 plus 6 divided by 6. Then they simplify the numerator further to 18 over 9 plus 6 divided by 6. In the next step, they move on to the denominator and begin by calculating 9 plus 6 and replacing this expression with 18 over 15 divided by 6, which eventually simplifies to 18 over 2.5. And finally, it equals 7.2. Then, without any hesitation, they say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But it's completely wrong. Now let me show you the correct way to solve this question. To solve this problem, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, let's start with the numerator of this fraction and go for the multiplication first, since multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, instead of the original expression, we can write 9 minus 36 over 9 plus 6 divided by 6, which simplifies the numerator to negative 27 over 9 plus 6 divided by 6. In the next step, we move to the denominator of this fraction and start with the division, since it has a higher priority than addition. So, instead of this expression, we can write negative 27 over 9 plus 1, which finally simplifies the entire fraction to negative 27 over 10, or it equals negative 2.7. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment, and to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.